Hi everyone, today we're going to stretch. Here are some of my favorite stretching exercises with no equipment, so you can do them anytime you want. We're gonna start down here on the ground. And one thing I love to do is, from my yoga practice, is dancing lion. It's great to start to warm up the body. So I'm gonna turn sideways. And what we do is we come into a tabletop position. Our shoulders are in line with our elbow. Almost forgot what that was called for a second. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna shift our weight back and with a nice circle, come forward and back. And this is such a beautiful thing to do to start opening up the body and stretching out. So I'll just stay in this position, all right? We're gonna do, I don't know, maybe 10 in one direction and 10 in the other. And we can just start here, shifting back and circling. That's it. Okay. Good. I'm not even gonna count. We're just gonna go by feel today. And do you feel your body starting to relax, letting go of tension in those hips, in those joints, right? All right, let's do a few more in this direction. 2, and this will be our last one. And then we're gonna take it in the opposite direction. So push back and around. You're doing a really great job here. 3, 4. Really use that circle. 5, nobody's watching you, so feel free. 6, to really move. 7, 8, we're gonna take it to 10, 9, and last one, 10. That's beautiful. All right, let's take it. If we can push back wherever your body will let you go into a nice child's pose here, and taking just a nice deep breath. Breathe in and exhale out. All right. Coming back to that tabletop here, we're gonna do now what's called in yoga a thread the needle. So we're gonna take one arm, bring it up to the ceiling, and then thread it on through. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see me here. So we're gonna reach up and thread that arm through and bring, if we can, our cheek down to the side of the mat. Maybe our hips are up here. Maybe we can shift down. Just let your body go wherever it wants to go, right? And just breathe. Take a couple deep breaths in and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. And then push with that hand, lifting yourself back up, reaching back up, bringing that hand down. Okay, good. Now we're gonna take it to the other side. Inhaling up and exhale. And again, bringing your head down to the side, your cheek, your face, and just let your body naturally relax. Allow it to stretch, to relax. And with every breath, maybe it relaxes a little bit more. One more inhale and exhale. And let's lift up, reaching that arm back up and coming back down. Let's take it into another nice child's pose stretch. Walking our hands gently like they're little spiders to one side. Getting a nice side body stretch. Inhale, exhale. Taking it over to the other side. Great, good job. And back to the middle. And now let's sit back on up. How'd that feel? Really good, right? Okay, great. Woohoo! Now we're gonna take it back down onto the mat. We're gonna lie down. Just bring those legs up. First, I want you to shift your hips back and forth. That helps to bring some blood flow to that lower back, and it really lets us settle that back into the mat. This is legs up the wall in yoga, which is really great just to let that blood flow calm down your legs. We're standing all day. Blood's pooling up in those feet. It's nice to get it flowing back down. You can do this anytime. Always feels good, right? So now let's drop one leg down and let's just gently give this one a nice little pull, right? Not too hard, just see where it wants to go. Take a nice deep breath. Maybe rotate your ankle one direction, the other direction. Good. Let's take that, cross it over, and see if we push just a little gentle. Get a nice hip opening stretch. I'm gonna flex my foot. Now we're gonna take our hands, reach through. If it's available, just pick your foot up off the floor, and you're gonna get a nice stretch here on your hip, right? Feels good. Oh, is it good or is it it feels good. All right, let's drop that down and we'll change. We'll bring the other leg up, rotate, maybe give it a nice little stretch here, back and forth before we cross it and open up that hip. Great. You're doing great. Just a nice gentle stretching today. All right, let's reach our hands through and gently pull it back towards your body, flexing your feet. Couple breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Dropping the foot back down, placing both feet on the ground. We're gonna take our arms up. We're gonna drop our knees to one side and our arms to the other and get that nice spinal twist. Feels so good, right? Right in here, feel that nice twist. All right, and let's shift it to the other side. Some days we just need to be gentle with our bodies. And you can do this great stretching routine anytime before you start to exercise. All right, we're gonna go to the side, lift ourselves up. And now we're gonna sit up straight. Always gotta adjust the pony, all right? And we're going to take a nice forward fold. So our eye gaze is going to be forward. We're going to lift our arms up and just gently fold forward wherever your body wants to go. Just keep looking forward. So we're not bending like this, we're looking forward. You're going to feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings, through your glutes and your lower back. And inhale, exhale, dropping those shoulders, loosening them. Make sure you're not having them up here by your ears. They're dropped down. And just see what happens when you breathe. Connect to the rhythm of your breath. Breath is your body's natural language. It understands. When you breathe slow, it tells your body it's safe. It's time to let go. All right, great job. Now let's bend one knee, wherever you can bend that to. We're gonna flex the other foot. Just reach forward. Reach for your toes and bend forward. Nice and gentle. Again, this isn't about pulling your body. It's just about a gentle release, a gentle stretch. Good. I can feel my body starting to let go. All right, come on back up. Let's switch. Reach forward. Going for those toes if it's available. And just looking forward. And breathing. Great job. All right, come on back up. Last thing we're going to do is staff pose in yoga. So we're sitting up nice and straight. We're going to take our arms behind us. You can see my palms. We're just going to sit up nice and straight, right? Take a deep breath. We have a little external rotation with our thumbs here, so that's opening up our shoulder area. Most of us are sitting, driving, texting. All right. Excellent. Just breathing, sitting up nice and tall, and then letting it all go. All right. And the last thing we're going to do, I know I said that was the last thing, but I always like to throw in one more thing. So here we go, coming down on the ground. I just want you to come into this big, expansive X with your body. Just reaching out, right? Trying to stretch out those hands, stretch out those legs. If someone's like pulling your arms and your legs and trying to reach. Take a deep inhale. See, my arms are coming off, and then let it all go. Good. Good. All right. Now we're just going to bring it all back and sit up. That was just a big X stretch. I thought that might be a nice way to finish it off. Okay, you did a great job. We stretched out a little. We worked out all the other days. And now we're just stretching. I'm getting too close to the camera. So, all right, enjoy. Have a great rest of your day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.